Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cooking with Wellness Advocate series. Today's going to be a short one as we are going to talk about some quick meals that you, as a college student, can make. First up, we have breakfast. Breakfast is easily one of the meals that lots of us college students skip multiple times a week as we are running late to class or simply forget. Though fun fact, according to a study conducted by Blinn College, they found that there was a significant difference in the performance on student exams who had eaten breakfast, therefore then passing the exam. They found that only 65.6% of the students participating in the study had eaten breakfast. So, don't skip breakfast. Today we will be making a basic smoothie with a bag of frozen fruit, 2% milk, and my mini blender here I have at home. If fresh fruit isn't an option, Giant, Aldi's, and Wise also have a varying selections of frozen fruit and mixes of frozen fruit. The one I have today is mango, pineapple, and peaches, which I bought from Aldi's. The mini blender I found at Walmart for not a bad price, but any blender will do. Everyone is a little different with how they make their smoothies, but I make mine simply by throwing the frozen fruit inside the blender and then pouring the milk right inside until the top. Some people add sugar or will add honey as a healthy alternative for sweetness. Some people also add ice to make it less creamy and more of a slushy type of drink. Be bold and experiment with how you like your smoothie best and share down below what is your favorite kind of smoothie. For lunch, this is one that may take some of us back to our childhood as kids when our caretakers would pack us these for lunch: peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. This is a super easy, inexpensive, and quick lunch for those times between classes where you are hungry but may have a 12 p.m. lecture over the common hour. You can vary between white or wheat bread, different textures of peanut butter, and even use strawberry jam, grape jam, really any jam that makes you happy. For dinner, we will be making a broccoli pasta dinner. After a long day of school, the last thing you probably want to do is make more of an effort into making dinner. This is an easy, quick meal that you can just throw together in a couple of minutes. Take a pot and start boiling water for the spaghetti. Make sure to add a pinch of salt and a little bit of vegetable oil to make sure your pasta noodles don't stick. While you have your pasta cooking, you can throw a bag of steamed vegetables into the microwave. Your choice. I chose broccoli. At the grocery store, you can find various frozen bags of vegetables in the freezer aisle for a decent price. Once your noodles are done, strain the water out and throw in a couple of spoons of sauce and mix. Once I moved the spaghetti into a bowl, I topped it off with the broccoli. Ta-da! And that's it! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to us if you'd like to see more of our content and follow us on our social media handles below. Thanks for watching!